you mute yourselves. Okay, thank you. Here, this is regarding the approximated signal. When square wave is and sine wave, both signals are compared are approximated. Sine wave is approximated with the square wave. We are getting the this blue color lines with different values. This is one of the Fourier wave example. Similarly, this is in the case of two-dimensional signal. Sorry, single dimensional only. Single dimensional. Whenever it is a two-dimensional signal, we are getting like this. This is regarding the MATLAB output. We are getting this type of outputs in the MATLAB. In addition to amplitude, both when we can consider both the directions. See, this is Fourier series. Fourier series we can calculate. Last class I already given these formulas. Last class, this all of you note down these formulas. This is very useful for you. Uh, f of x is a Fourier series, then half of a naught plus n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n x plus n equal to 1 to infinity b n sin nx, where a naught is the dc term. A naught is dc term that equal to over a period he has taken minus pi to plus pi. Based on that one he has given minus pi to plus pi over a period 1 by pi f of x dx, and a n equal to 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x cos n x. This is a even term coefficient. A n bn. A n is the even coefficient, bn is the odd coefficient. See here, a n equal to 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x cos n x dx, where bn is the 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x sin nx dx. Fourier series make use of the orthogonality relationship. Why? Because sine and cos both are orthogonal to each other. Sine and cos both they are orthogonal to each other. Okay. In addition to we have a one dc term. We will find that a dc term also. This is already the formula in the last class given. First of all, we are going to the details of the to do the sums. First of all, listen this. Fourier series is used for the periodic functions. This is with periodic functions. Function f of x with a period 2 pi. 2 pi means a complete period. 2 pi is defined as a trigonometric series with the coefficient a naught, a n, and b n. Here, see that actually explanation of a naught, a n, and b n. See here with the coefficient a naught, a n, and b n, known as Fourier coefficients. Fourier, actually these three are a naught, a n, b n are the Fourier coefficients. Okay, and individual terms in Fourier series are also known as harmonics. Already at the term harmonics is explained. What is the fundamental harmonic, fundamental period, second harmonic, third harmonic, fourth harmonic, like that. Some sine waves are explained in the last class. Okay, that is individual terms in Fourier series are also known as harmonics. Next one is, if you want to find the Fourier series, it must satisfy the over a time period. So that's why every function f of x of period 2 pi satisfy the following conditions known as Dirichlet's conditions. Dirichlet's conditions. That can be then only we can express in the Fourier series expansion. Okay, Dirichlet's conditions must satisfy to apply the Fourier series. Once again, we see the Dirichlet conditions. F of x is a bounded and a single valued function. Okay, single valued function, bounded and single valued function. The function f of x is called single valued if each point of the time domain has unique value in the range. When we consider the time domain signal, it must have at any instant of time, it has only single magnitude value. Next, it is the finite number of finite maxima and minima in that interval. F of x has second point. See that one. In the second point, this one has f of x has at most a finite number of maxima and minima in the interval. The third point is f of x has at most a finite number of discontinuities. Finite number of discontinuities. Okay. See example. See this one. sine inverse of x. We can say that the function sine inverse x cannot be expressed as a Fourier series, but it is not a single valued function. But it not single valued function. Tan x in the range 0 to 2 pi, it is also cannot be expressed as a Fourier series because it has infinite in the over the range infinite we are getting. Okay, what is the tan 90? What is the tan 90?
Infinity.
Infinity. Okay, similarly, sine 0 0, sine inverse of 0 means infinity we are getting. In this case, sine inverse of x if x equal to 0 means that means 1 by 0 నే కదా sin 0 0 అయితే sin inverse of 0 అంటే ఏంటి 1 by 0. That is also infinity. Tan 90 degrees like that 270 we are getting it. Please mute all of you. In these two cases infinity we are getting, that means discontinuity. Okay, at this points we can't go for the this Fourier series. We can't explain sin inverse of x and tan x. Okay, see this one. This is one example. Even function, odd function wise I will explain. Fourier series for even and odd functions. Okay, whenever even functions are there, see first formula, we go for the first formula. Even function, actually an is the even function, bn is the odd function. Based on these things, it is explained as even and odd functions like that. Even and odd functions like that. If a function f of x is a even function with a time period 2l, are you getting? 2l minus L to x is in between minus L to plus L, then f of x, then f of x is then f of x cos n pi x by L is even function, while f of x into sin n pi xl by is odd function. What is given here? Cos of the function is even, while f of x sin n pi x by L is odd. What is that one meaning? Already cos term is the even term, sin term is the odd term. That is simple techniques. Thus, Fourier series expansion of for even, for first of all we see the even function. First of all we see the even, an even periodic with the f of x equal to in the period 2l minus L to plus L, minus L to plus L. That is a basic formula is f of x equal to a naught by 2 dc term sigma plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an cos pi nx by L, cos pi nx by L. Our aim is to find both the things. That means a naught to an no bn. Already bn we have to show that it is a 0. It is 0. Okay, simply we can explain a naught equal to a naught, basic formula. What is that one? A naught equal to 1 by pi. Actually, it is over a period taken. That's why it is minus pi to plus pi he has taken. That's why it is given like that. 1 by pi, that means time period, boundary f of x dx. Like this. Okay. It is a 2 by L, 2 by L, 0 to L, 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x dx. We are getting some DC function. One formula is only given. Okay, next. This is 2 by L, even, that's why. Why? Because whenever even is there, 2 times that one, half of that one. Actually, 1 by time period or time period minus L2 plus L. Instead of writing both the things, instead of writing minus to plus, 2 times of plus we are writing even function in the case of even function. That's why 0 to L 2 times. Okay, 0 to L 2 times f of x dx. This is even function case. Remember? Remember first functions are there, I think. Actually, minus pi to plus pi or minus L to plus L we have to write. But whereas in this case, 0 to L we has written 2 times that one. 2 times that one. It is clear to all of you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
1 by
And the second one also, an also 2 times 0 to L. Why 0 to L? Even function we are right. Integration property, that is integral properties, even function 2 times we will write. Okay.
sir.
Yes. Okay. Whenever it is even function, odd part becomes 0. Simply odd part becomes 0. Okay. You'll see the next one. Coming to the odd part, I will come into the odd function. Odd function. In the odd function, if function f of x is actually this is completely theoretical equations I'm writing here. You have to make a note in the notebook. You have to write down. See here, if a function f of x is an even periodic function with a period 2L, that means it is extending in between minus L to plus L over a period. Okay, then f of x cos n pi x by L is an even function. F of x sin n pi x by L is a odd function. One is odd function, one is even function. That means cos term is the even, sin term is the odd function. Okay. Similarly, first part is even function is over. Coming to odd part. To explain the odd part, in the whenever the function is odd function, both the first terms, that is DC term and even term, both are zeros. This is not completed here. He is directly given the function. Thus, the Fourier expansion, series expansion of odd periodic function f of x with a period 2L minus L2 plus L is given by f of x equal to integral n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin of n pi x by L, where bn equal to 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x into sin n pi x by L into dx. n pi x
సార్ ఏ నాట్ బై ఉండదా సార్?
ఏ నాట్ ఉండదు. ఆడ్ ఫంక్షన్ కి డీసీ టర్మ్